Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to favorite a post on Mastodon. So as you can see now we're on our home page. We're going to start by selecting the post that we want to favorite. For example, we want to favorite the post from Sergio. So you're going to select the third icon with the star. You're going to click on that. And that is how you favorite a post on Mastodon. We can view that by going to our profile. That's the icon in the bottom right corner. And now we're gonna click on the second icon in our top right corner. And as you can see, here is the post from Sergio. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!